the winners of 50 meters novelty sack race, grade 1. Third position goes to Arya Patil. Second position goes to Shavin Chaube. And the first position goes to Kalash Dodal. Congratulations. I would request Aditya sir to give away the medals. Here our young athletes are going to receive the medals from Aditya sir. Congratulations, students. Here are the next winners of grade 1 balancing beam race. The third position goes to Ganesh Sonavne. Second position goes to Swararan Sube. And first position goes to Arnav Devkar. They are going to receive the medals from Aditya sir. Now next winners are from grade 1 flat race 50 meters. Yes, Sarabjit means we have grade 1 winners of 50 meter flat race group B. Winners are third position goes to Arnav Devkar. Second position goes to Ganesh Sonavne. And the first position goes to Pradnesh Pakre. Grade 1 50 meter flat race. I would request Aditya sir to give away the medals for this group. Little Arnav, little Ganesh and little Pradnesh are receiving the medals from Aditya sir, Director of Universal Education Group. Next winners are from grade 2, group A, 60 meter flat race. Third position goes to Ali Saleh. Second position goes to Arihant Ajmera. And first position is with Ayan Jagirdar. Congratulations Ayan, Arihant and Ali. I would request General Manager Mr. Ishaq Qureshi to give away the medals, please. First position. below the winners of 60-meter flat race, Siddharth Rane, second position, third position, and the second position is with Nazeeb Sheikh, and the first is with Ramanand Deshpande. Congratulations. Now here are the winners from grade 2. Third position Ali Saleh, second position Arihant Ajmera, and first position Ayan Jagirdar. They'll receive the medals from the General Manager of Universal Education, Mr. Ishaq Qureshi. The next winners will be from grade 2 zigzag race. I would request Mr. Kedar Tembe to please come near the victory stand for giving away the medals for the next group of the winners. Mr. Kedar Tembe going near the victory stand. Our young athletes are receiving medals from Mr. Ishaq Qureshi, General Manager of Universal Education. Our Director, Mr. Aditya Luhana, is also standing there, encouraging and motivating our dear young athletes. Now the next winners are from grade 2 novelty race, zigzag race. The winners are, third position goes to Ramanand Deshpande. Ramanand Deshpande. Second position goes to Vedant Shirurkar. And the first position goes to Ayan Jagirdar. I would request Mr. Kedar Tembe, Head of Sports, Universal Education, to give away the medals, please. Here, Adya Kedar is giving away the medals to the young athletes. We are proud of you, dear young athletes. Grade 2, Little Ayan, Vedant, and Ramanand. Next winners would be from grade 3, 80-meter flat race. Third position goes to Ansh Jaiswal. Yes, Ansh. Very good. Second position goes to Kirti Sarode. And the first position goes to Yash Sarode. I would request Kedar sir to give away the medals, please. Congratulations, Yash, Kirti, and Ansh. Congratulations, dear students. The next winners are from grade 4 and 5, 100-meter flat relay race. The third position goes to Saurabh Damne. Second position goes to Shreyash Madekar. position goes to Utkarsh Patil. I would request Mrs. Vakil to give away the medals, please. The next winners will be from to and fro relay race. Congratulations, the winners. The next race winners are from grade 4 and 5, to and fro relay race. They are in teams, so they will climb the victory stand in twos. The third position goes to Saurabh Damle and Aman Sheikh. Saurabh Damle and Aman Sheikh, parents, please put your hands together. Second position goes to Utkarsh Patil and Aditi Desada. First position goes to Siddhant Karpe and Altamas Sheikh. I would request Mrs. Kathy Lakhani to please come ahead and give away the medals. Mrs. Kathy Lakhani, Head Coordinator, Universal Education, to please come ahead and give away the medals. For grade 4 and 5, winners of to and fro relay race. Third position, Saurabh Damne, Aman Sheikh. Second position, Utkarsh Patil, Aditi Desada. And the first position, Siddharth Karpe and Altamas Sheikh. Congratulations, winners. Dear parents, please put your hands together for the young winners. Thank you. Here are the winners coming up for Kho-Kho League matches. There were 3 teams, Leopards, Hunters and Roadrunners. And the winning team is Hunters. Come on parents, please put your hands together. We had Kho-Kho League matches today and the winning team is Hunters. I'm going to call out the names. Jeet Borde, Shreyash Madekar, Aman Sheikh, Aditi Desada and Sneha Killare.
I will
Hunters,
request
come on.
Smita Miss
Get ready.
to please do the honors. Smita Miss will do the honors, Head Coordinator of Universal School. Parents, please clap.